Alright, PM Gaming 101 back. This is our famous, what we call the cat trail. I'll get you a better view soon. Got an ant climbing on my hand, sorry. This is our apartments up there, so I'm not very far. I see this trail every day and I see cats going up it. That's why I call it the cat trail. But what I'm going to do is, it's going to be hard. It's such on an incline, it's hard to stand with the camera, so I'm probably going to film it from the bottom up, but I'm going to climb up and give you guys a perspective. I've been cleaning up some garbage in here. I'm super thirsty, so I'll get a drink of water and I'll be back. Oh yeah, and I was saying the cat trail, there's just one now out of like, I don't know how many others there are. So peace out. Alright, so right now where I'm standing, I'm about halfway. This is just giving you a perspective, places I can climb up and go. I don't know if it's going to pick up well with the sun, but then it ends up in the driveway for this building up here, so it's quite the incline. I'm going to climb up and show you. Alright, so I've made it to the driveway. On top of that, it's like my third time. I'm just checking things out. This is the incline, you can see. It's pretty windy today. It's nice, beautiful weather. Quite the incline. I don't know if you guys can pick up on that, but now I'll go to the bottom and I'll probably install the tripod and give you a view from there. Goddamn fence is a challenge to get through. It's made for like, I don't know, maybe a raccoon size go through that. Well, my truck just barely fits. I'm 270 pounds trying to fit through that damn hole. But there you go, that's the view from the bottom. So I'll try to find a cool spot for the tripod, maybe down low, give it a cool perspective. And this is like just the start of the incline. I don't know if you can pick up on that angle. Cool.
second.